Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be preparing a very famous Manipuri snack, that is Keli chana. Misidi Keli chana semrage. Ingredients di khara watle nakuppi khazik phange nakuppi nataba tuning kok ti phangder tuning kok kum ha be yam how do badu phangdrabne na ha treng sini. So let's start preparing it. The ingredients are 1 small onion roughly chopped, green chilies, coriander leaves, this is chive. If you don't have chive, then you can use garlic leaf or spring onion. Nakuppi, I have only this, a small piece of ginger, garlic, lots of garlic, and machal. If you don't have machal, then use freshly ground coriander seeds and the cooked peas. How will you I've soaked the dry peas overnight. Now let's cook them. Put enough water to boil the peas. Don't pressure cook them. Pressure cook pressure cooker the overcooked it will take 20-30 minutes. 20-30 minutes let's take one. It's cooked, you can see the changes in the color. Now it's ready to fry. Mustard oil, 2 to 3 tablespoons. Mustard oil goes very well. If you don't like mustard oil, then you can use any vegetable oil. Let it heat up. After 2 minutes of frying, put the ginger garlic, I'll put a little bit more oil. Machal, 1 teaspoon only. I put a little bit more later. Chili powder, little bit food color. Little bit of turmeric. Now it's ready to put the cooked peas. Now let's start enjoying it. How is it, ma'am? And Keli chana cannot be complete without black tea. And it's a must to put bay leaf in the black tea as well. See, ma'am, how is it? Krak low biro se. Ma'am, thung na grabra low grabra se. Sum na share tau da di upai laitre. Au di kang di. Yummy! I just love this Keli chana. It's very simple, very fragrant. Use lots of herbs, you can see. I'll mix it up first. Manam di haura ya fazana. After mixing, yummy. Sa ding ay pao manam din lai. Even the aroma is also very delicious. Yes, I'm using this as a spoon. Super. Powerful. Wow. Powerful na. Kakting ki hotel na pamre cha man. Wow. It's spicy, delicious. I don't put lots of ginger, it will give a bitter taste. Wow. Run. Masih pra bom. May netra bom mayroon siya. Ayun si Keli na si Rajasthani friend na mada offer tawai ba ma yum na lakpa ganda pizza nuchar ma si yam hawe masala me manam lu si yam zaye Keli khapra hanman huwa le ko machal hapdo This is the kind of food you eat with your friends and families, with lots of people. Yeah, let me show you. I have a small piece of banana leaf for the spoon like this. If you want, you can put some freshly grated ginger or even ginger flower you can use. Sa si taste pata hapon and haura. Keli chana hai sikri cobra khang din. No khang ne dik raha hai biro. Chỉ xa bảo đi tụm mình để đúng chán Nasi lấy bữa ăn đi lập khu bán bi thì ăn lấy aduga som này đi upay lấy thế kasi lập khu mana se ay neighbors ko din nila purat ko Lapu manasu darkar tayo do lapu panbi so haksang ni magyam ganab ni ko nagirong bay do magsu juice thak ngai su haksang ni magyam phau ne do gamla da thara yingi Fazendo. Wow. Yam hao ni loin sa thok le. Amrak sa bhori to ngai khang di ko si keli chana. La phu mana da cha ba bi am no ngai wa khan di ko. Isi di si wai de loi sin der ge mayam. Noi su yum da hao ni sim re cha bi ra mo ma pan dei cha de na. Mathangi video de uniresi. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.